In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open videos in Google Drive. Whether you're storing memorable family footage, crucial business presentations, or educational material, accessing your videos swiftly and without hassle is essential. Today we'll walk through the concise steps to ensure you can open any video stored on your Google Drive effectively. Let's begin by ensuring you're logged into your Google Drive account. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Drive website. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so. Enter your Google account credentials, which typically include an email address and a password. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself at the home page of Google Drive, showcasing your available files and folders. This is your gateway to access everything stored on Google Drive, including your videos. With the main interface open before you, take a moment to browse through your files if necessary. Find the video file you wish to open. Google Drive organizes files much like traditional folders, so you might have to click through a few directories to find what you're looking for. Once you've located the correct file, you'll see the file name and possibly a thumbnail preview, making it easier to identify visually. To proceed, simply double-click on the file. This action will trigger Google Drive to begin opening the video. It's crucial to note that you might have to wait a few moments, depending on the file size and your internet connection speed. Larger files or slower connections might take a bit more patience, but rest assured, Google Drive works diligently in the background to streamline this process. Once the video opens, it arrives in a new tab or window. This will generally autoplay, but if it doesn't, you'll see a play button right at the center of the video. Click it to start watching your content. Feel free to use the controls provided, such as pause, fast forward, or adjust the volume to tailor your viewing experience to your liking. Now, if you're wondering about formats, Google Drive is quite versatile. It supports a broad range of video formats, so most of the time you won't face issues opening your files as long as they're in common formats like MP4, AVI, or MOV. In rare cases where a file doesn't open, you might need to convert it to a compatible format. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to access and open your videos on Google Drive. Harness the power of this convenient tool to keep your videos organized and readily